Hello students and welcome to the lecture. So students, as we know that we are covering the examples and solutions of various topics. In the previous lecture, we had finished with the economics. In this lecture, basically we are going to start with the general science section. Okay, the pattern will be the same. 15 questions we will cover in this lecture. Either we will learning the new things or we'll revising the things we had already covered. Okay, the time period will be remain same. 40, 30, 20 and 15 seconds. Okay. So with this notes, let's start this lecture. First question we have, what is the chemical symbol for water? H2O, CO2, O2, NaCl. It is very easy question. Okay. So I think the 15 seconds should be the enough time to answer this question. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th. Time's up. H2O is basically the chemical symbol for water. Okay. Now the next question we have is, which gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere during the photosynthesis? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen. 20 seconds you have to think and answer. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. Time's up. Correct answer is C. Because here they have mentioned about the atmosphere, then we must discuss the composition of atmosphere first. Okay. This is the nitrogen. This is the oxygen. This is the argon. This is the carbon dioxide. This is the neon. This is the helium. This is the ozone. And this is the hydrogen. Okay. And if we talk about their composition, nearly 74% is the composition of nitrogen. 20% is the composition of oxygen. 0.18% is a composition for argon. 0.04% is a composition for carbon dioxide. All right, students, I think that there is some thing which we should correct. It's 0.93%. Then it's 0.0%. It's 0.018%. It's 0.006%. It's 0.005%, and this point 0.00005%. So this is the composition of the atmosphere. Okay, these are the gases which found in the atmosphere. The most abundant one is nitrogen, thereafter the oxygen. Okay, so the carbon dioxide, which is nearly about 0.04% in the atmosphere, is the gas which is absorbed by the plant during the photosynthesis. Okay, and if the plants absorb the carbon dioxide, what they releases? They releases the oxygen. Okay, so it simply means that if this is a plant, okay, then they will absorb the CO2, carbon dioxide, and they will exhale the oxygen or O2. Okay, so remember these details. The least abundant gas is hydrogen, as we have seen. Most abundant gas is Nitrogen, as we have seen, oxygen is basically provided by the plants, what we have seen. Okay, let's move forward. Fifth question we have, what is the smallest unit of matter? I had told you so many times. Okay, so I hope you will give me a correct answer. First is the atom, molecule, cell, proton. Okay, atom, molecule, cell, proton. Now it's good. 30 seconds you have to think an answer. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Time's up. Correct answer is A. Okay. So if we talk about the matter, then matter is in three forms basically. Solid, liquid, gaseous. Okay. And any matter could be defined in solid, liquid and gaseous category only after the arrangement of atoms. Okay, if the arrangement of atom is compact, it will be the solid. If the arrangement is slightly loose, it will be the liquid. Okay, but if it will highly loose, then it will be the gaseous. Okay, so this atom is the smallest unit of matter which helps the matter to be divided in solid, liquid or gaseous form depending upon the composition or arrangement, you can say. Okay, now what is the molecule? It is basically the group of atoms. When different atoms come together and form a group, then it's become the molecule. Okay, now what about the cell? Like the atom is the smallest unit of the matter, cell is the smallest unit of organism. Cell is the smallest unit of organism. Okay, every organism which you are seeing is made up of the cell. Okay, as the molecule is a group of atoms, the group of cell is known as, come on, I have told you, I'm giving you 20 seconds, give me the answer. Group of cell is known as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20. Time's up. It is known as tissue. Group of cell is known as tissue. Alright. If we talk about atomic theory, which was given by whom? John Dalton. Okay. If we talk about cell theory, given by whom? Shackwagon and Shaven. Okay, spelling might be incorrect. You can check it on Google also. Okay, if we talk about the proton, then it is found in the nucleus of atom. Okay, so these are the details. Just keep these things in your mind. Let's move forward. Fourth question we have, what is the main function of the human heart? Pumping of the blood, digesting food, producing hormones, filtering waste. 30 seconds you have to think an answer. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Time's up. The correct answer is pumping of the blood. Okay. So human heart is basically responsible for the pumping of the blood. Digestion of the food is basically done by stomach. Okay. Thereafter the pancreas and small intestine. Okay. Producing hormones is basically done by brain. Okay. Filtering waste is basically done by kidney and liver. Okay. So remember these particular details. Okay. And one more thing which I will like to share with you regarding the heart. The heart is basically divided into two parts. Left anterior, right anterior, or you can say, sorry, it's the right anterior and the left anterior. Okay. The upper parts are known as the auricles. The lower parts are basically known as the ventricles. Okay. So the deoxygenated blood is reach which part? Right part of heart. Okay. And thereafter the oxygenated blood is pumping out from which part? Left part of heart. Okay. So remember these details. All right. Now let's move forward. Fifth question we have, which vitamin is essential for the normal vision and is found in carrots? Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D. 30 seconds you have to think and answer. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Time's up. The correct answer is A. Okay. So we can say vitamin A causes the disease known as night blindness, which simply means that a person who is having the deficiency of the vitamin A and the person who is suffering from the night blindness will not be able to see the things clearly. Okay. If we talk about the deficiency of vitamin B, then it causes the disease beriberi and pellagra. All right. If we talk about the vitamin C, then if the person having the deficiency of vitamin C, he will be suffering the scurvy disease. It's U. It's V, scurvy disease. And if we talk about the vitamin D, if someone having the problem of the deficiency of vitamin D, he will be suffering the disease of osteoporosis, which is also known for broken bones. Okay, so remember these details: vitamin A for night blindness, vitamin B for beriberi and pellagra, vitamin C for scurvy, vitamin D for osteoporosis or the broken bones. Let's move forward. Sixth question we have: which part of the plant is responsible for photosynthesis? Roots, leaves, stem, flowers. 30 seconds you have to think and answer. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Time's up. Leaves is the correct answer. Basically, if we talk about the plant, like this is the flower, you can say plant also you can take. Okay. Now, please excuse my drawing. I'm not so good at drawing. Okay. So this part is known as the leaves. This part is known as the roots. This part is known as the stems. This part is known as the flowers. Okay. So the part of leaf is basically responsible for the photosynthesis, or you can say for the food generation. Okay. Because the leaves contains chlorophyll, which is the green pigment, due to which the leaves appears green. Okay, so this chlorophyll is basically responsible for photosynthesis. Okay, thereafter, if we talk about the roots, then roots are basically responsible for absorb nutrients. Okay, let me write down clear. Leaves part you have understood. Now the roots are basically absorbs nutrients from soil. Okay, roots are basically responsible for this thing. Thereafter, if we talk about the stem, then stems are basically responsible for transport of nutrients from roots to other parts of plant. All right. And if we talk about the flower, then basically they contains the pollens. Okay. And when the vectors like honey, bee and other vectors sit on the flowers, they get some pollens with them. And whenever they reach the other flowers, the sexual reproduction held. And that's how the plant can keep itself alive. Okay. So this is the entire process which I have explained you. Now let's move forward. Seventh question we have: which is the chemical formula for glucose? C6H12O6 H2SO4 NaCl CO2. 30 seconds you have to think and answer. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Time's up. Correct answer is A. General formula is C6H12O6, of which glucose. H2SO4 basically stands for the sulfuric acid. NaCl basically stands for the sodium chloride. CO2 stands for the carbon dioxide. Alright. Now, let's move forward. 8th question we have. Which gas do humans inhale during respiration? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen. 20 seconds you have to think and answer. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20. Time's up. Correct answer is A. Oxygen. Okay. So basically, humans exhales the CO2, which is observed by which plants? Inhales the oxygen, which is exhales by plant. So that's how we work with the plant. Alright. Now, if we are talking about the oxygen, then oxygen is very essential for the mitochondria, which is the part of cell. Okay. And it is also known as kitchen of the cell. Okay. The food what we consume, okay, the complex particles of that food reach the mitochondria. Okay. Mitochondria uses the oxygen for the respiration part and breaks down this. Breaks down complex food particles into simpler ones. So remember, oxygen is very essential for the mitochondria because of the breaking down of complex food particles into simpler ones for further energy generation. Okay. 9th question we have. What is the SI unit of force? Kilogram, joule, Newton, watt. 15 seconds you have to think and answer. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th. Time's up. Correct answer is C. Newton. Kilogram is the SI unit of mass. Joule is the unit of heat and energy. Okay. Watt is the unit of power. Okay. And as I have told you, Newton is the unit of force. Alright. Remember the details. 10th question we have. Which type of energy is stored in the batteries of electronic device? Very simple question. Mechanical energy, thermal energy, electrical energy, nuclear energy. By understanding the question and reading the options, you will get an answer. Okay. So 20 seconds you have to think and answer. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. Time's up. Correct answer is C. Electronic devices. Electrical energy. It is very direct question and very direct answer. Okay. 11th question we have, what is the process by which plant converts light energy into chemical energy? Respiration, photosynthesis, digestion, fermentation. 20 seconds we have to think and answer. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. Time's up. Correct answer is B. Photosynthesis. Basically, it provides a light energy to the plant's leaves, or you can say the chlorophyll. Then the chlorophyll carry out the chemical energy. Chlorophyll carry out the chemical energy and the process of photosynthesis begin. Alright. 12th question we have, which gas is responsible for the greenhouse effect and global warming? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen. I had told you so many times. I think 15 seconds is more than enough time to answer the question. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th. Time's up. C is the correct answer. Alright. 13th question we have, which part of the human body is responsible for producing insulin? Liver, kidneys, pancreas, heart. 20 seconds you have to think and answer. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. Time's up. Correct answer is pancreas. So basically, if we talk about the insulin, then it is a sugar controlling hormone. Sugar controlling hormone, which controls the sugar level in the blood. Okay, and it is released by pancreas. 14th questions we have, what is the chemical formula for common salt? NaCl, H2O, CO2, C6H12O6. Very simple question. 20 seconds. You have to think and answer. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. Time's up. A is the correct answer. NaCl, which stands for the sodium chloride, is the common salt we use in food and at home. H2O is basically stands for the water, and water we do not use as a common salt. CO2, carbon dioxide, could not be used as a common salt. Glucose, no chance at all. A should be the answer. Last question we have, which vitamin is synthesized by the human body when exposed to the sunlight? A, B, C, D. 15 seconds you have to think and answer. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th, 14th, 15th. Time's up. Correct answer is D. If you go to the sunlight, you will have a vitamin D. Deficiency of vitamin D will cause osteoporosis, which will cause broken bones. Okay. Now let me tell you one very interesting fact. Have you ever heard about the vampires or Draculas? You must have heard about them. Okay. Do you think that why they suck the human blood? As per so many claims on the online, you can go and check them. It is believed that vampires or Draculas could not expose themselves to the sunlight because they will die. So that's why they started sucking the human blood, which having the vitamin D, so that they could avoid the osteoporosis. Okay, it is the one point which is available on the online sites. You can check it. So it was an interesting fact I would like to share with you, and I have shared with you. Okay, so students, in this lecture we have covered the 15th questions of the general science. In the next lecture, we will continue with the general science. Till then, just revise all the facts and figures we have discussed in this lecture and prepare yourself for the next lecture as well. With this notes, let's end this lecture and thank you.